The cross-section reveals the full-depth black pigmentation throughout the entire thickness of the Black Brahman bull hide. This natural melanin distribution produces a naturally black leather of extraordinary color depth, without synthetic dyeing.
On the Gulf Coast, the Black Brahman bull embodies natural majesty and agriculture. Its all-black hide and dramatic horns provide uniquely valuable raw materials. Bred for resilience, its genetics ensure premium quality and deep pigmentation.
An aerial view of the state-of-the-art facility for Black Brahman hides and horns. The Black Brahman hide arrives, undergoing quality grading under specialized light. Black Brahman 40. Soaking begins the transformation, rehydrating the preserved Black Brahman hides. In the lime drum, fleshing and splitting prepare the hide, in the enzyme baiting and melanin monitoring. In this premium lab, quality specialists conduct rigorous tests on Black Brahman leather. Tensile strength, tear resistance, and abrasion tests verify its durability, motorcycle, fashion, and accessory customers. The Xenon Arc test results show the extraordinary light fastness of naturally black melanin pigmentation. Natural melanin demonstrates significant advantage of genuine naturally black Brahman leather. From black Brahman hide to wet blue, the journey begins. Retanning and fat liquoring enhance the natural grain. Drying reveals the premium proves superior light fastness and performance. The premium Black Brahman Bullhorn knife handle, with its warm amber honey tones and unique striations, commands prices of $80 to $250 per match set from the world's most prestigious luxury brands.
This horn's grain is perfect for a drinking cup. Polishing brings out the natural beauty. This will be a stunning luxury piece.
From the ranch, the Black Brahman Bull provides the foundation for luxury.
Forman, like a knife hand with handles.
Priced from hundreds to thousands, embodying world-class craftsmanship and value. Naturally black leather eliminates synthetic dyeing, reducing chemicals and water waste while utilizing all byproducts for zero waste. This establishes it as the most sustainably produced black leather in commercial manufacturing. This data compares the environmental impact of leather production methods. Naturally black leather shows a significant reduction in chemical oxygen demand. This highlights the lower environmental burden of natural production. Observe the natural grain and subtle variations.
This is the authentic quality of Black Brahman leather.
Precisely. This leather communicates the highest value in American fashion.